Hey everyone, congratulations. We've all made it to this last week of online lab. I know it's been weird, been kind of stressful for everyone, confusing, I get it, but we made it. This is the last one. There will be a lab final. I will have more instructions on that because I'm trying to modify it and review it a little more because it's kind of hard to switch it all up because you guys are supposed to take that in lab because I'm supposed to have things set out on all the tables, and then you kind of interact with all those things and kind of show us what you've learned with all of that. So I'm kind of modifying that. So yeah, I'll give you more information about that, how you'll take it, what you'll do. I haven't worked out everything yet, so just keep an eye out for your emails like you guys have been. Thank you for sticking it out and going along with all of this. I really appreciate all your guys' hard work. And yeah, so what we're doing today is chapter 15. So it's atmospheric moisture, pressure, and wind. That's page 247. And originally there were, I believe, 12 sections that Dr. Koo was going to have you do, but because I love you guys so much, I cut half of it. And I will tell you which 6 you guys are doing. So we're going to be doing 15.1a. Gives you everything you need in there. There's this graph, and then it'll ask you some questions about it. 15.1b, right after that, is one that I'm going to be showing you. Should be really quick, relatively easy. And then 15.3a, which is page 252. That gives you a couple formulas, and then you'll figure that out. If you have any questions, you can email me. And then next is 15.6. That is page 258. That's another one that I'll be showing you guys how to do, kind of explaining that a little bit. We're going to do 15.7 and 15.9. So relatively short. It will take a little bit of work, but I believe in you guys. You've got this. For the homework, same thing as always, the lab report at the end of the chapter. So this one's on page 271, 272, and 273. But I'm going to have you guys skip number 5, number 9, and number 10. So yeah, there's only, like 9 questions then? Because it's out of 12. So yeah, you're going to skip 5, 9, and 10 on the homework, on the lab report. Again, I'll probably put this all in the description so that you can see it. So what we're going to do with 15.1b, this is talking about latent heat. So basically what latent heat is, it shows the temperature necessary to change something's state of matter. So we all know the states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. So basically what temperature is needed to change ice to water or water to water vapor, things like that. So pretty easy. What this is showing you, it's on page 249 if you flip there. What this is showing, basically I have my hot plate right here. And then I have my beaker with some water, and then it's telling me to put some ice in it. And then I have my thermometer. I'm just going to add some ice into here. And then we're going to stir it for 15 seconds. And then after that 15 seconds, I'll get its starting temperature. And then what I'm going to do is put this beaker on the hot plate. And like last week's video, how I included those graphs, also sorry about the graphs. I am not tech savvy whatsoever, so I did the best I could. I'm basically going to do that same thing again. And if you flip the page to 250, it has that graph on it for you in the table. And I'll give you guys I'll give you guys another table, and I'll include that. Okay, so I think it's been 15 seconds. So my starting temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. So I'll put that down as my starting temperature. And then I'm going to stop this video because it is 15 more minutes, so you guys don't need to watch me for 15 minutes. That's weird. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video and I will be back. Okay, so I just finished this experiment. I will include the table, and whatever numbers are on your screen right now, circle minute 6. It'll say minute 6, 13 degrees Celsius. Because if you look on the procedure, it asks to circle the exact time in which the ice has completely melted. So it took 6 minutes. This graph that it gives you, where you're going to graph out all the points, the temperatures, it goes up to 15 minutes, but it only took 6 minutes for all the ice to completely melt, and then it says to keep recording the temperature for 3 or 4 minutes, so I went up to 10 minutes. So don't worry about 11 through 15 because I didn't have to do that. So it's just, 1 through 10. And then that's pretty much it for that one. I know it's really intriguing, but next we're going to do 15.6. So if you turn there, it's page 258. What we're going to be doing with this one is I have a new beaker, and it's just filled with a little bit of water. Basically, we're going to be testing the condensation temperature. So as I'm recording this, I'm going to put this on the hot plate, take this one off, and then I'm going to just keep adding ice. And then we're going to see how long it takes to start seeing some condensation on the glass. I'm going to keep recording myself on this one because I don't know how long it'll take. I don't know if it'll be a minute, but I'll probably end up editing this depending on how long it takes. So we're going to start by putting this on. I'm going to have my timer. We're going to start adding some ice. Slowly. Yeah, I'm going to stop it there. Okay, of course it's logged me out. Okay, so took longer than I expected. I thought it was going to be like a minute, but I'm going to bring my computer up close to it. I don't know if you can see, but there is some condensation on there, and it's like, you know, what happens to your drinks and stuff. But yeah, so condensation started at, I would put about 4 minutes and 15 seconds. It started a little bit around like 3 minutes, but it was like hardly there. So I don't know if you could see in the video at all, but it's starting to like drip a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And then you can answer all those questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this week. Just remember that you're doing, again, 15.1a, 15.1b, which is what I did, and then you'll answer those questions, 15.3a, 15.6, 15.7, and 15.9. And then on the lab report, you're skipping numbers 5, 9, and 10. And I will make sure to let your TAs know so that we're all on the same page. And yeah, that should be it. Again, thanks for those of you who are actually watching the videos. I can see how many people are watching my videos, and it is not the whole class, so thank you to those who are watching them. I appreciate it, and yeah, again, I'll put my email at the end of this, and I will keep you updated about any upcoming notifications about the final, and then email me if you have any questions at all. All right, well, stay safe, and I miss all of you guys, and I love all of you guys, and hopefully I will see you guys one day. Bye!